Hello gardeners, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to grow corn from the corn seeds. So from the corn, what you collect in the market, right, what you get in the market, you can just collect few seeds like that from that corn, this one. Then once you have this one, all you need to do is just place them in the soil like this. So you can see this, and then cover them up and then water them regularly, that's all. So then it will turn out into this kind of plants, beautiful plants. And then once they come to this kind of stage, where they have grown very healthily, you can individually you can put them into separate containers like this. See, one I'm growing in this gunny bag actually. You can see this corn plant like that. So it's very simple and you don't need much space also. So all these I'll be collecting, and few of them I'll be putting in the garden and my ground soil directly, and few I'll be putting into the containers like this. So in this container I'll be putting 2 plants, and there one more container you can see. So there also I'll be planting 2 more plants there, and I'll be distributing all these in separate containers and in the garden like directly. So this one, it has taken 10 days to come to this stage. So I had planted these kind of seeds, whatever you're seeing, right? These seeds had planted in the same pot on August 11th. So today what when I'm making this video is August 23. So it's like almost 13 days, but within 5 days you'll see the development. So I'll be moving them into new plant. I'll just show you. So this is the continuation video. I have just removed this plants from this pot. You can see this pot what I showed you earlier. So I thought I can remove this plant easily from this pot, but can you see the root development, how they have grown into it? So I felt it was really hard for me to take it up easily. So one thing what I learned is you shouldn't plant more seeds, See, like you can see, at least like 10 plants have developed from this. So their roots all have joined together. So my idea initially was at least in this 10 seeds whatever I am planting, at least 4 to 5 will develop. So that was my idea. So that's why I planted more. But actually what I see here is everything has developed completely. So all the roots have joined together, so it's little hard for me. So I just removed it. And you can see this, it's completely coco peat what I've used for growing them. This is completely only coco peat. So I'll be now again removing it, and I'll be updating this video. So you can see here all the individual plants. So you can see the corn seed also. Can you see that corn seed and the root? Can you see that? So here you can see the complete plants which I have moved from this pot. So earlier you saw the plants were in this pot. So I thought it was just like 10 seeds, but you can see that it's like more than 15 actually. So all these 15 plants have been developed from the single pot, So it was like too much of them actually. So but all of them have grown really good, You can see that the roots have been developed very well for each of them. You can see this here. See this? You can see that these 2 are still attached. I have to still separate them. Can you see that? How well they have developed. So individually you can see them. See? It's really good. Both bottom and up. The development is really good. So it's like close to 15. I'll be just showing you one video now how I'll be just planting them. You can see this. I'm taking this plant now, and I'm going to take him and plant him in this container. You can see this container size also. You can see the container size. There's already some tulsi and this vegetable plant also already. So this is a creeper and it won't take much space in the container. So this tulsi I'll be removing after a few days. And you can see this dragon fruit plant is also there here. And this dragon fruit plant also doesn't take much energy, and it's like a slow growing plant. So there's a lot of space. So I'm just utilizing that space and I'm just planting this. Can you see this? I've already digged up some area here, and again I'm making some space there, and then I'm planting this guy here. Can you see? That's it. So I'll just cover him up with this regular garden soil, okay? Nothing more. So I'll be properly covering them up completely later, because I'm holding my mobile in one more hand, so it's little hard for me. So that's it. So I'll be planting one more plant here and one plant here in this container. Two plants will come up here, and few more plants will go here, like I said in the before. You can see this place here. So this place I've cleared up. So here in the center I'll be putting some spinach, like coriander or pudina. I mean some spinach, green leaves I'll be putting in center, and the corner I'll be putting 4 corn plants there. So that's the place there. And remaining I'll be putting few here only in the same container. I'll be growing few corn plants, and few more I'll be distributing, like you can see this corn plant in the gunny bag. Like that I'll be using some of the containers what I have here, and I'll be moving all these plants, separate this one. So I hope you like the video. You can see all the corn plants, like once again. Can you see that? So once they grow, they'll become like this, and then they'll slowly develop into, they'll still grow like 2 more feet, and then you will finally get the harvest. So it takes like another at least 2 more months to grow, and then you can see the result. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you all liked it. So I'll be again showing you this one. See, from here they have developed into this kind of plants. So all you need to do is just collect some good soil and then place it like this. You can see this, and then few more. Okay, you can see this, and just cover it up. That's all. Don't put too much soil above it. Just cover it up like that. That's it. And then water them regularly, and then they'll develop into something like this, and then you can move it into a proper place as per your requirement, and whatever is convenient to you, you can move it there. That's it, guys. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked. Please like it and share it with your friends also. Thank you. Have a happy weekend.